it's been a minute since I recorded a video vlog style like this, because I'm always like never showing myself. But anyway, I have a whole bunch of arts and crafts going on, like literally everywhere in my apartment, because I got this pop-up coming up. So if y'all don't know already, I did change my business logo. It's still Uplifting Creations, so same name and everything, but I just changed the theme. I wanted to incorporate something that just made more sense to me. I wanted to simplify everything. And let me show you guys, because I literally just started redoing. Let me turn this way because the lighting's better. But I just printed out some labels so I can put on top of the old business cards. As you guys can see, you can still kind of see the old logo peeking through. And I didn't change the back because I just didn't feel like it. Like, this is good enough. At least I have the new logo on here. And that way, when I do create a new business card design, it'll all make sense. So anyway, literally I have stuff going on everywhere. So I was like trying to test out how I was gonna set up my table. Of course, everything's like really random right now, but I did get a new green tablecloth. All of this wood stuff, I stained it all the same color so that everything matches. I got a lot of this from the Dollar Tree and Michael's. I also have this crate right here that I stained, as well as this display stand. I just wanted everything to match so it can make more sense. And then this is gonna be for something new that I'm not gonna tell y'all yet, so you don't have to worry about that. But I have some cute little chalkboard stands. This was just like a log that I also stained and put a clear coat on. And I have beads. So I'm literally like moving everything back into my office because it's just getting to be too much. And I want to eat on my dining table, so I'm not trying to have everything everywhere. As you guys can see, there's a lot going on. I have to reorganize these shelves and just move everything back in here. This is what I'm currently working on right now. I'm not going to say too much about it, but that's what I got. And then I'm also printing out some more labels of my new logo so I can stick them onto the business cards. I literally been like sawing and like sanding down stuff. If you guys watch my previous videos, y'all know I've been collecting sticks. I've been sanding down wood and staining everything and just doing all this work because why not? Like, I have to put in this work to, you know, have a successful business. And let me show you guys, hold on, give me a sec. So I also decided I wanted to display my bracelets a little bit differently. So look how cute. I basically just cut out the label and stuck it on here. And I'm probably gonna hang these up onto this display once I put the hooks back on there. But yeah, lots of new things. It's a lot of work, you know, learning everything on your own and having a small business, but it's all worth it. Hey y'all, so it's currently Thursday, March 9th. It is 2 days before my pop-up, and I just got home from the gym, so that's why I look a little bit crazy. I gotta go ahead and make my protein shake, but I've been making a lot of progress. Everything is finished being stained. I put together the bracelet stands. I was testing it out. Look how cute. I love it. Y'all remember when I was sanding this down and like literally going out and just finding all of these sticks so I can make all of these things? So there's a lot going on this table. This table is only 4 feet long. The pop-up is providing 8-foot tables, so I'm definitely gonna have more than enough space to display everything. But I kind of just wanted to see how all of the stained wood items would look together, and I'm really happy with how the table setup is looking right now. So I did make these. I found these sticks, both of these sticks, just at the park right across from my house, and I sanded them down. I stained them. I also painted them with a Mod Podge wood gloss, and then the bottom part I just got from Michael's. But then tell me how I went to Michael's and I paid like $5 each for these, like for all of these little wood coaster things. And then I found them at the dollar store for two for $1.25, and I was like, wow. I mean, I guess I could have saved way more money, but I didn't even know that the Dollar Tree had them anyway. So yeah, aren't they so cute? My boyfriend helped me like create the holes and screw them in to put them together. So I'm gonna hang bracelets and stuff. As you guys can see, I love how it looks. And then I also stained this display. I already had the swivels. Of course, I got my little square sign or whatever. This was the log that I was showing y'all, also stained and glossed and sanded down. I also made this really cute sign for social media, so whenever people come over to my table, they can just scan it. Takes them right to all of my links and everything. And of course, the new business cards. And I'm doing something new that I've never done before, so I'm doing a newsletter sign up because I want to start getting into engaging more with my customers and sending them emails. So I got a clipboard, I printed out this sign up sheet, and I got this cute little pen from Staples. Also got the clipboard from Staples. And then I printed and framed this. So I'm going to be doing a raffle for a gift card. So when people sign up, they're going to get entered to win a $30 gift card to my shop. So I feel like that's a great way to get people to sign up, and just for more engagement as well. And somebody gets to win $30 worth of product. But yeah, so there's a lot going on. I don't remember if I showed you guys my banner already, but I ordered a banner from Banner Buzz, and I only paid, I would say like $30 in total, just because I paid extra for faster shipping. But the banner itself was like $16, and then with tax and the extra $10 for shipping, for faster shipping, it came out to like $30, which isn't bad. But I'll show you guys when I have all of my table set up and everything. And of course, the bracelets are everywhere. I have to organize everything and get everything off of this table. Like I said, I just wanted to see how it would all look together as far as like the wooden stuff. And so far, I really like the outcome. I love how that wood color, the wood stain, looks against this green. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my protein shake so I can fuel my body after this workout. But I just wanted to update you guys on what I got going on so far, 2 days before the pop-up. Hey guys, so it's finally the day of the pop-up, and I'm not finished getting ready. I still have to fix my hair and put on a lip and some mascara. But I have like an hour. I have over an hour, and I already started like packing stuff into my wagon. This is my banner. I had some books on it to help like flatten it out. But everything, almost everything is on here. So I have my suitcase, the bag, some wooden stuff in the crate, and that's honestly it. Oh, and I have to pack my camera. So I'm about to do that now. I'm about to pack my camera in my bag so I can take some professional pictures of the setup and everything. And then I'm taking a chargeable battery just in case, because I'm not trying to have my phone die, because I also use Square. And I feel like my phone dies really fast to begin with. So especially when I have the Square device plugged in. I'm just making sure it's in my bag. Especially when I have it plugged in. It just... it just kills my battery like crazy. I'm also drinking some hibiscus tea. Don't mind the pillows on top of my couch. It's a lot going on. I gotta clean when I get back. But what do you guys think of my makeup? I should probably go in front of my vanity since the lighting is better. But I haven't been doing my makeup as often as I usually do, just because I've been working out a lot and really prioritizing my health. So I wanted to do something a little bit more simple. So I just did like a brown neutral eyeshadow, my regular base, and then these lashes are like, I'm obsessed with these lashes. These are Ioni Wispy Long Crisscross. They're called Tessa. So if y'all don't know about these $1.25 lashes, you have to go get some, because just look at them. And you can reuse them. They're vegan and they're just the best. But anyway, let me finish packing and finish getting ready, get dressed and everything. And I will talk to you guys on my way out. Getting ready to be out of here with all this stuff. So it's like super cold and raining, and it kind of sucks because I decided to wear a dress and my legs are cold. And also, this is supposed to be a spring pop-up, but it doesn't look or feel like spring at all. So yeah, there's that. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and voice over the rest of this video. I didn't record much while I was at the pop-up, just because after I got there I set up and it was really busy. But anyway, this is how my table setup came out. I was really happy with how my table setup looked. I feel like everything matched, everything flowed nicely. It just made a lot more sense than my previous pop-up setups. So yeah, I was really happy with the result, and I did take a lot of nice pictures with my camera. If you guys didn't know already, I do have the Canon T6i. I've had it for years, ever since I started my YouTube channel, and I love it so much. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of this video. Let me know what you think of my table setup, and I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next video or at the next pop-up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.